Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing these fluid art watercolor winter kit set, whatever, by Box or Malibu, actually, probably Malibu, but Malibu's the brand or whatever you want to call it. And then yeah, anyway, I got some Lidl's for less than a $5. It was $4.99 if I can remembering right. Was it $4.99? Something like that, yeah. But, so, I know roughly what's in it because Katie, another YouTuber, has already done this because she shops at Lidl's too, so we know where art supplies are. But, you know, so it's like shaky. But, so, I cut the top this time because I wasn't struggling with tape on camera because, you know, hey, pain in the butt. But, so, pull out a water brush. And this is a tiny one, actually. I don't have a tiny one. So, that's good, because I don't have a tiny one. So that's handy. Not that I'm going to be using it for this. I'll probably just use paintbrushes. But it's handy, though. In a little booklet explaining everything in it and all the ink colors that you get, which will be handy. And then let's pull out, what's this? This is paper, which I'll use. Hey, it's got a texture. I might use it. I probably will, because this is supposed to be a video for it, you know. So we'll use this for creating art. And this is just, oh, it's the inks. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little jars of 15 milliliters of color. So watercolor ink. And there's a bunch of other languages that I do not speak. I know I don't know Polish, but I know that's Polish. And yeah, other than French, that's Finnish. That's not French, that's Finnish. But anyway, so yeah, and it's got all the information on it. So we've got a blue. Is there a label on it saying what kind it is? No, it's just a blue, as far as I can tell. It is a blue. It's a blue. And then we have like a pinky color, kind of pinky purple, not so much maroon kind of color. So it just says watercolor ink. Does it, like I said, does it have a, no, and it's got French, which I can read. Oh, and here we have a purple. Kind of purple. So if you combine those two, you probably get something like that. Maybe, I don't know. Then we have a black, which I don't, unless I use this to outline something, which is an idea. I don't know if I'm going to be using that, even though that is an idea. Maybe I'll do that. And then we have a yellow, which, for the idea in my head, looking at these colors, don't think I'll use the yellow, because it's a little bit bright. And considering it's supposed to be a winter, watercolor winter, yellow doesn't quite fit. I mean, it really doesn't quite fit. If they had to put, you know, let's see, maybe one of these greens maybe could have went with it. But yellow just seems to kind of not go with any of these. See? It's a little bright. But yeah, anyway, so that's what's in the box. Paper. I don't know how many sheets. Can't remember. I think there's 10. I know there's 10 total, so there's probably 5 of these. Oh, maybe there's 10 actually. Let's see. 2... there's maybe 10. I think there's 10. That's a great review. So there's, let's see the box. So let's see on the box. Watercolor ink with watercolor paper. Let's find English. Great Britain. That's English enough. 5 inks. Yes, got that. Check. A water tank brush. I've never heard it called a tank brush before. But yeah, there's a tank brush. It's the water. Oh gosh, I can't remember what I actually heard them called. But never heard it called a tank brush. And then what do we got? 10. Yeah, there are 10 pieces of paper plus an instruction manual. So I guess if you needed instructions, or if you wanted to create something like on the thing, this would work. But I'm just gonna wing it because they're inks. You know, you just do whatever you want with inks. But yeah, so I will go off and sketch my idea, put it on some paper, and then I'll be back.